The next big 2022 investment trend is about to explode. It's going to be massive. It's about creators chasing their weird little dreams.
Always believe in yourself and your brand.
And I'm going to tell you exactly how to play it right now. Let's go. It's Trade Talk Tuesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe by hitting those buttons below. If you've already subscribed and you don't want to miss a single episode of Trade Talk Tuesday, hit the bell and then YouTube will notify you every time we drop a new episode. Hey everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. 17 years ago, the very first YouTube video was uploaded to the internet. It was a far cry from the flashy, high production content of modern YouTube. But without it, there would be no makeup drama on YouTube, no hot wing eating YouTube contest.
Is there a toilet nearby quickly? Do you mind? I'll go for a piss. Is it nearby?
And of course, no Trade Talk Tuesday. So, me taking pictures of myself at the zoo would kickstart a chain reaction leading to a foundation of a creator-driven industry worth tens of billions of dollars. All right, since then, we've seen the rise of creator-focused platforms, crowdfunding websites like Kickstarter and GoFundMe, and subscription platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi, and OnlyFans. Yeah, they're doing their own thing, right? Well, for years, social media websites worked in harmony with these platforms, functioning as the marketing arm of the creator industry. But if you think Mark Zuckerberg is going to sit back and watch all this money walk off of his platform, well, you haven't been paying attention to Mark Zuckerberg, right? Last year, Facebook announced plans to pay content creators directly for their unhinged rants and minion memes as part of a new program that turns Facebook into the one-stop shop for creators. And where Facebook goes, everyone follows. So you got Snapchat, you got Twitter, you got TikTok and Instagram. They're all racing to build new monetization models to attract the biggest creators. This market is valued at $100 billion, and it could give birth to an entirely new creator boom that we want to be part of. And that's where today's pick, Roblox, comes in. Now, at first glance, Roblox looks like a Minecraft knockoff for babies. But what makes this game so different is they let their users create their own games and then sell them on the platform. So sure, they don't look like much, but you don't need years of programming training. You don't need to be a publisher. You don't need hundreds of employees to make a video game. All you need is an idea. And the result is a chaotic mashup of raw creativity and innovation supported by a passionate fan base of users and game developers. Check this out. As of Q3 of 2021, Roblox had over 47 million daily active users worldwide, and most of these members are between 9 and 15 years old. So think about this for a second. Imagine the combined brain power in content development and improvement to the platform that Roblox is getting from a younger generation of computer nerds, essentially free of charge.
It's free real estate.
Right? Well, in return, these kid developers get 25% of the proceeds generated from the game, including things like the sale of virtual outfits and avatars. So yeah, kids are making real money in 2022 selling things like virtual hats. I mean, we have sure come a long way from the quarter-sucking days of Donkey Kong, right?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
All purchases made on the platform are bought with Robux, which is like the platform's in-game currency. So just like you go and you get tokens at a video arcade, you put in a 5 and the tokens get spit out, all Robux must be purchased using real money. So either with a credit card or by begging your mom to buy you some Robux gift cards at CVS, right? So basically they have tens of millions of users creating, buying, trading, playing, and even attending live concerts all within a closed economy. So while Mark Zuckerberg is here giving presentations about the metaverse becoming a thing over the next 10 to 20 years, your kids are already at home living in one.
And we call this the metaverse.
Okay, Boomer.
And that's why Roblox Vice President of Brand Partnerships, Christina Wooten, she believes that the Roblox metaverse would soon become bigger than video games. The part of the quote that I want to highlight is that ushering in a new category of human co-experience. Now, yes, it sounds like a pull quote from a California cult's welcome packet, but we know this kind of community-focused model thrives online.
It's up to you whether you believe that or not.
And that's why major companies right now are using Roblox as a testing ground for their metaverse initiatives. Like Nike, right, who just launched a new immersive world experience called Nike Land, all within Roblox. So basically, Nike Land is a simulation of a pre-pandemic childhood with outdoor activities like soccer and dodgeball, and a digital showroom where you could dress your avatar from head to chunky Lego foot in the hottest new Nike apparel. Roblox execs think that their plan is to expand its metaverse into every imaginable market sector, from education to music, and they're right now predicting that all consumer brands will need a Roblox strategy in the next 3 to 5 years. That's why this pullback that we've seen to start the 2022 year is a very attractive entry point for Roblox. Last year, right before Christmas, they were trading at $134 a share. Then they dropped all the way down to, around $70 a share. Point is, if you're looking for the next big investable trend, it's the creator economy. It's going to be a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's here. It's right now. It's just getting started. And right now, you can invest in the early beginning stages. So get yourself involved right now and then ride this new economy, the creator economy, for all it's worth. All right, and there you have it. That's your Trade Talk Tuesday episode for today. As always, I'm Brian. Stop hating, start trading. If you liked this episode, if you liked this pick and you want more picks, click that link below, because right now I'm guaranteeing an 83% win rate. Check it out below. And with that, cue my exit music.